Past the porcelain platter, with a steady practiced hand, we're the oldest bloodline remaining in this barren hollow land. Father sharpens up the cleaver while the candles start to weep, that there are ancient starving promises we are required to keep. If the cellar floor stays dry tonight, the crops will surely fail, and the shadow in the corner grows a long and serrated tail. So we carve away the heavy heart, and we toast to what is lost, hiding all the butchery beneath a thin white veil of frost. It's a heavy price for harvest, but a saint could not be thinner. Bow your heads and say the grace, for this is our family dinner. Family dinner. Family dinner. Family dinner. Family dinner. Sister smiles now, though her eyes are wide and glazed. She's the one the elders chosen, she's the one the spirits praised. We don't use the word slaughter when the salt is rubbed so deep into wounds that stay wide open while the rest of the village sleeps. The curse is coiled beneath the house, a black and oily thing that only stops it screaming when it hears our cutlery ring. Ignore the way the marrow tastes, ignore the rhythmic thud of the ritual that binds us to the soil and to the mud. Every drop is for the garden, so that no one ends a winner. Wipe the crimson from your chin, for this is our family dinner. Family dinner. Family dinner. Family dinner. Family dinner. Plates are scraped and polished, but the hunger never ends. The curse is just a circle that breaks and then it mends. Next year the seed is empty, and the room is getting colder as the weight of all our ancestors leans heavy on my shoulder. God has turned his face away from every wretched, starving sinner, and the dirt is calling out for more. For this is our family dinner.